What's up, linear friction welding fanatics? I want to take a few minutes to talk about linear friction welding and structural materials such as tubing, rectangles, angles, channels, pipe. Basically doesn't matter, but in the case here, normally you buy materials in 40-foot long lengths. You have to optimize how many cuts you're going to have out of that. But what do you end up with? You end up with scrap. So if you could literally take these 40-foot long pieces and linear friction weld them together, creating a solid state bond, a bond that you didn't have to cut out. It's stronger than parent material. Whether it's for small angle pieces such as this, or much larger angle pieces such as this, 4" by 4" by a half. You have one long continuous piece. This weld here is roughly 10 to 15 seconds to produce, and this is used in joists for overhead for holding up structures and buildings. We're here to save you money. We're here to help you make your process much more efficient, and to give you a welding process that is really unbelievable until you see it. Give us a call, email us, let us help you save money. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you next time.